Hi YouTube, it's me Arjun. Before starting the video, I would request you guys to give me a favor by subscribing my channel. That would encourage me to create multiple video in coming future. We have done a couple of input field like text box, password field, text area. I want to break it down with the help of line break, and same here as well after the subject br, because it's this one is like this before. If you refresh, you got the gender with the line break here. We have done radio button, we have done checkbox, submit button as well on our previous video. Now it's time to create other option which is very useful to create a HTML form in website development. Let's start with the select element. In this select element, it's very useful to create the drop down list with multiple item, as many as you want. It takes the select element where you can specify the name as, like, suppose you are going to create the drop down list for the country. You can specify the name there, and after that you can have multiple option with the value. That is suppose select your CUNTR by country, and select your CUNTR by country here. The same thing can be repeated as much as you want. Value, that is USA, USA, option, again option, CNADA Canada, where value is Canada, Canada. If you save that and refresh over here, you got the nice drop down list here. Option value, that is select country, select your country, that is the option, and you can create many of the option here. Like, let me copy and paste these two again to Canada. This one is GRMANY, Germany, Germany, INDA, India, India, NEPL, Nepal, NEPL, Nepal, JPN, Japan, JPN, Japan. Refresh. Select name country, select your country, select your CUNTRY country over here. If you save that and refresh over here, select name, that is something wrong here. Select, you need to mention this select tag there. Yes, name is country, and option close. I think this one is right. Select your country. Let me put this one outside the select tag here. B and BR. Yeah, select your country. You got the nice drop down list here whatever you want, isn't it? And moreover, we have done some of the text passport fields, something like that. We have couple of other HTML input type, which are defined by the HTML5. It means HTML5 added several new input types, which which is very useful, but those tag um, might not be supported by some of the older browser. So while designing, be careful. Let me do some couple of those input type, that is date. If you refresh that, we got the nice control for the date. Let me give the br the date of birth. Yeah, we get a nice option with these things. You can control the maximum value, it means the date range, with the help of max, that is 2000 or 1995 hyphen 10 hyphen 22 2. That is, this one is the minimum, not maximum, min, and the maximum value might be 2020 02 13. If you go and select 2018 and select any of them, let me save this and refresh over here. 17/7 2018, we can select that one. If you go beyond this 2020, that is the maximum, is 21, select any of them. You can't, because we have mentioned the maximum value as 2020 to 13. You can't do that. Look, I can't select. And it gives the error later on if you submit the button. Moreover, let me add another input field, input type, that is color. Let me give one br tag here and select the color color and refresh. We got the nice control here. If you click there, you got the nice control palette to select the color here, and you can close and select the color with the help of this input type color tag in HTML. Moreover, we have another input field, that is number. Suppose your age, or UMBN number of QUENTITY quantity. If you save that and refresh, you got the nice control over here. Same as the date, you can specify the minimum and maximum value over here, like minimum, that is 0, and the maximum, that is 10. If you save and refresh, it's a 15 there, so like 6 is okay. If you go up to you can go up to 0, no more than that, no less than that, and if you can go up to 10, not more than 10. and not less than 0. Moreover, we have the another option, that is input type, that is range. If you refresh that, you got the nice control here to specify the range. Hope this video is very useful for you. If you have any question, don't forget to comment on the comment box below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like and hit the bell button. That would encourage me to create more video on coming future. Thank you.